Hi, welcome at Aerobertics. Today we received the new Ultimate from Krill, the MK2 version, and we're gonna have a look at it. So we're gonna do the unboxing together. Yeah, let's have a look at the beauty. As you can see, they used a complete new packaging system, so all the wings and the fuselage is really very good protected in the box. All foam protected, pre-cutted parts, so that's really a decent packaging, and she's worth it. As you can see, the top wing is a one-piece wing. We chose for this very nice gray blue color scheme. Then of course, two bottom wings. As you can see, all is pre-cutted for the servo mounting, also for the servo horns. Really good preparation of this kit. The most important difference between V2 version, MK2 version, and the V1 version of this Ultimate is that the top wing is a little bit lower, so the motor is really in the middle of the fuselage and the center of gravity. And also it has bigger ailerons. As you can see, they are really huge. On the MK1 version they were only like this. Fuselage. Everything is, as always, very well packed from Krill. Matching gear covers come with the kit. Wheel pans. Landing gear. Wing tubes. Some plates for the mounting. We always order the spinner with it, so this is an option when you order the Krill kit. The spinner is an option, so pay attention to that. And yeah, you can have it in the matching colors with the same blue. So this one is inside. All the horns and hardware, wheel, axles, etc. is included. And that's about it. And of course, two elevators, really huge, perfect for 3D, and everything is really very nice finished. The painting is very good quality, as we used from Krill, and very nice preparation for the servo mountings. Everything is very lightweight, so this bird is perfectly fitted for a DA100, DA120, DLE 120, or similar motors like the GP. There's so much choice these days, but everything from 100 to 120 cc is perfect for this plane. So if you want more information, we mostly have always one in stock here at Aerobertics, but we can order every color you want. We are Krill dealers since more than 14 years, so we have the experience you need. So she's on her feet. Let's have a look around. It's a real beauty.